I just wanted to say my love that every time I think of you, my heart becomes softer, fuller, and alive in ways I never knew were possible. You are not just the woman I love. You are the center of my world. With you, laughter is sweeter, silence is comforting, and even the simplest moments become treasures I hold close. You are the reason I smile without realizing it. This strength I find when I feel weak. I promise you my love steady, endless, unconditional. I will be your shelter when storms come. Your hand to hold when doubts arise. Not just in this life, but in every lifetime. You have given me more than love. You have given me purpose, joy, and a place where my heart feels safe. No matter where life leads us, know that my heart is yours today, tomorrow, and always. I just needed you to know I am so in love with you. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.